In this video, I'm showing you the easiest way to get those disgusting door sills spotless in just minutes.
Vacuum to remove all the loose dirt and debris. Now this takes literally like 18 seconds and makes the actual cleaning so much easier, so don't skip this step. By the way, I'll be speeding up the video and the timer during some sections of this video, but by the end, you'll see exactly how long this process takes in real time. Spray Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant directly onto the door sill. Don't be shy, give it a good coat. Using a coarse detailing brush on only the plastic portion, not the painted parts of the sill, scrub in a gentle circular motion to work the cleaner into the texture spots between the rubber seals and on the aluminum insignia plate. It's important to get into all of the nooks and crannies. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. Using a Waffle weave microfiber towel, start wiping in one lengthwise direction. You'll see all that grime coming right up and off into the towel. And look, we're already at just over 2 minutes total so far. Keep wiping until you see that your door sills are totally clean. Almost done. Grab a clean, dry, and plush microfiber towel and do one final buff to remove any cleaning residue and buff it to a nice finish. Boom, look at that transformation. It literally looks like brand new. This took us under 3 minutes and now your door sills are spotless. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick car detailing tips just like this. Drop a comment below and let me know. Now honestly, when's the last time you cleaned your door sills? I'm guessing never?
Click here for your next video on how to quickly and easily clean your car doors, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below. I read them all.